Good morning. Have you ever wanted to start your day feeling calm and energized, moving your body gently without any strain or pressure? Welcome to Senior Health After 50 Plus, where movement meets stillness and every morning begins with peaceful energy. If this is your first time here, this channel shares gentle exercises, mindful living, and wellness routines to help you stay strong, balanced, and youthful at any age after 50. Hit subscribe and join thousands of seniors across the U.S. who are rediscovering their health, confidence, and joy, one slow, mindful step at a time. Now, let's begin today's session. Morning Tai Chi walking in Hawaii. Good morning. Take a deep breath in and let the fresh ocean air fill your lungs. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin and listen. The gentle rhythm of the waves is your background music. Today, we're not just walking, we're moving with awareness. We're practicing Tai Chi walking, a graceful way to build balance, reduce stress, and bring peace into every step. You don't need speed or strength. You only need your breath, your focus, and your heart open to the moment. What is Tai Chi walking? Tai Chi walking comes from the ancient Chinese art of Tai Chi, a practice that teaches harmony between body, breath, and mind. In Tai Chi, every motion flows like water, soft and unbroken. Tai Chi walking takes this principle and turns every step into a moving meditation. It's not about distance, it's about awareness. You walk slowly, deliberately, coordinating your breath with your movement. Each step connects you with the earth beneath your feet and the calm within your mind. Many people say this simple form of movement helps improve balance, focus, and emotional clarity. It gently strengthens the legs, supports healthy joints, and teaches patience, both in motion and in life. Why? It's perfect after 50. After 50, we start to realize that how we move is more important than how much we move. Our joints crave softness, not strain. Our minds need calm, not chaos. Tai Chi walking gives you both calm for the mind and vitality for the body. It's gentle on the knees, easy on the back, and perfectly suited for all fitness levels. Scientific studies show that Tai Chi can improve balance, lower blood pressure, and enhance memory and coordination. And the best part? You can do it anywhere, even in your living room or garden, in just 10 minutes a day. As you practice, you'll notice your body becoming lighter, your steps more stable, and your mind more peaceful. Let's practice together now. Let's experience it together. Stand tall, feet shoulder-width apart. Take a slow breath in through your nose and exhale softly through your mouth. Feel the ground under your feet. Solid, steady, supportive. Relax your shoulders. Let your hands rest gently by your sides. Shift your weight to your right foot. Lift your left heel and slowly step forward. Heel first, then toes. Inhale and feel the movement flowing naturally. As you exhale, shift your weight onto your left foot. Let the movement be slow, smooth, and intentional. Now bring your right foot forward. Heel, then toes. Breathe in and breathe out. Each step is a breath. Each breath is a moment of awareness. Let your arms sway naturally with your movement. Relax your face, your neck, your chest. You're not trying to get anywhere. You're already exactly where you need to be. If your balance wobbles, that's okay. Tai Chi teaches us to embrace the wobble, to find stability through softness. Keep walking, keep breathing, and keep smiling gently. Deepening the awareness. As your body settles into rhythm, begin to notice the details. The air touching your skin, the sound of the ocean, the feeling of your breath expanding your chest. Tai Chi walking awakens the senses, not through effort, but through attention. You start to feel truly alive again, not rushed, not stressed, just present. Every step becomes an act of gratitude for the strength of your legs, the rhythm of your heart, the beauty of this moment. This is how peace enters the body, one mindful step at a time. Closing practice. Now, gently slow your steps. Bring your palms together in front of your heart. Close your eyes for a moment. Take one last deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel the stillness inside you, the calm that you've created just by moving with awareness. Remember, Tai Chi walking isn't about reaching a destination. It's about connecting your body, your breath, and your mind with every gentle step. Thank you for joining me on this peaceful Hawaii morning. If today's session helped you feel more relaxed, calm, or gave you a little extra energy to start your day, please hit the like button to share this sense of peace with others. And don't forget to subscribe to Senior Health After 50 Plus for more gentle Tai Chi sessions, mindful morning practices, and simple routines to keep your body balanced and your spirit young after 50. Want to receive exclusive Tai Chi guides and wellness gifts? Check the link in the video description to join our community. I'll see you again in our next morning session. Until then, stay relaxed, stay balanced, and keep walking with peace.